I'm Tolly Swift and this is the latest car, an E92 BMW 335i. For more helpful videos on this car and many others, please check out my channel. So replacing all the rear bulbs on the E92. So the side lights are part of the assembly, so we can't change them. We've got two brake lights at the top, a reverse light and the indicator. And then on the tailgate we've just got the fog lights. So on the driver's side you need to remove the toolkit area here. And on the passenger side we just need to remove this cover here. So to remove the bulb holder, we just need to lift this tab here. Then all we have is the indicator, which is a PY21W bulb. And then for the brake lights, which we have two bulbs for, and the reverse light, we have 921 Wedge bulbs as far as I can tell. And they all just pull and push straight out. To access the fog light bulb or remove the tailgate light assembly completely, we need to remove this trim panel here, which is held on by 10 trim clips. These trim clips can be removed with a combination of tip 3 and tip 90. So for these ones that have decent access, we can just about squeeze tip 3. That happened earlier as well. So in each of these handles we've got a trim clip at the bottom. Now tip 90 is absolutely perfect for this. Then to remove the fog light bulb, we've just got this little twist anti-clockwise, and then we've got a H21W